Again, use of the feet. Controlled shot. Initial thoughts, I thought, was to go big time. The last moment seemed to check his shot. Mushfiqur Rahim going on to 49. He hasn't had a big innings for quite some time. As you mentioned, he loves this ground. Has got a double 100 here. Just needs to just take his numbers, make them bigger. Milking the runs very comfortably now, these two.
Both the batters on 49 now. 80 delivers for Mushfiqur, 105 for Shanto. Excellently well so far. Initially counter-attack, now looking more steady.
Come on, idiots.
Tucked around the corner, yes and no. Eager to get to that milestone, thankfully aborted.
Oh, Pathum Nissanka did really well. I thought Shanto picked it up quite quickly. That Pathum Nissanka was off like a flash. Saved Mushfiqur from a disaster.
Feel that little bit of edge. Every time you're nearing a milestone, something plays on your mind. Tend to sometimes go for the glory shots. Shown that resilience and the temperament so far. Still waiting. That is over. 1-4. National partnerships really cause for concern for Bangladesh, but it'll lift the spirits of Bangladeshi supporters in seeing the skipper and the veteran combining, put up an unbroken 99 runs partnership. Shanto uses the depth. Pressure being created. The bowling is tight. The fielding is good. Around the corner, ambles the single, and that's the half century for Najmul Hossain Shanto.
Yeah, first was in Sri Lanka. Always has a century to his name was in Sri Lanka. Skipper Shanto has led the way. 3 wickets fell. He made sure that one end he anchored, playing the role perfectly. Initially against the debutant, he was attacking. When the time goes by, he's playing a gem of a knock under pressure, Najmul Hossain Shanto.
And the 100 partnership has also come up with that single. Doing well for Bangladesh. Goes back. Things over. He's got that run after a little fumble and reaches his 50. Mushfiqur Rahim's 28-50. The first in the last 14 innings. That tells you a lot. He's been out of runs. This is his 8th versus Sri Lanka. Well played.
Yeah, massive relief for Mushfiqur Rahim. Personal note, as well as Bangladesh as a nation, isn't it? So much emphasis on the experienced man coming into this series under pressure without a half century in 13 innings. And he comes good. It is one of his favourite grounds, as he say.
Both the batters on half centuries, they'll both be telling themselves it's half the work done. They need to carry on. Done all the hard work, rebuilding after that difficult start early on. Still a long way to go. This is a test match.
Both the sides are having deep batting lineups in this test match. Jacques Raleigh bats at 7-9. Is a decent batter. Taijul has scored some runs at number 9. For Sri Lanka, after Kusal Mendis at 7, it's Milan Ratnayak, who has a half century in England playing a test match, as well as Thandu Ratnayak, who will probably bat at number 9, is a decent bat. One thing in common when it comes to the two sides: bat till deep.
Bangladesh basically opting for 4 top-line bowlers, 7 batters, 2 pacers and 2 genuine spinners in the Bangladesh squad, in the team rather. It carries on. How long are they going to stop tempting Mushfiqur Rahim? 147 for 3.